Tonight we're going to be making some corn dogs. Nathan King Overland. Thank you for the recipe. We hope we make it right. But we have, go into it, peanut oil, avocado oil, honey, buttermilk, jalapenos, onion, seasoning, red ranch seasoning Nathan has, but we can't get that in Australia. What's this other seasoning?
Garlic powder.
Oh, garlic powder,
And
baking powder, brown sugar, cornmeal, or we call it polenta here in Australia, and flour, or plain flour. And that's what we have. Then you have the sticks, you make a batter, and you pour it into...
You forgot the hot dog.
Well, naturally you're going to need beef hot dogs, but I forgot that. But anyway, we'll...
Yep.
Well, we're here now. Pete's going to start making the corn dogs. And Nathan Overland, I don't know if you can hear in the background, but we've got Luke Bryan playing. So what we do is you dry the hot dog,
Beef hot dogs.
beef hot dogs, dry them off, and then you put in...
Flour. I can't remember the measurements, but I think it's 1 3/4 of a cup.
Well, as we do with everything, or as Jason and Simon would say, about that much. Bit of brown sugar for Ken Rollins. He does brown sugar. A little bit of garlic powder, or a lot. And then
Seasoning.
we used all seasoning,
Steak seasoning.
all steak seasoning, but we did have the recipe for in America was for Red River Ranch or something like that. Nathan, if you watch this, can you send us some? Haha. And now bicarb soda or baking soda.
I think probably we start one around.
Whisk it around. Ken Rollins says make sure that the brown sugar actually unclumps because it likes to clump up. So you whisk it around. And that Midori melon ball's sitting right there, yummo. As you can see, I've nearly finished mine.
Corn, what's this called?
Buttermilk. They put the buttermilk in.
You know what? It's probably too much buttermilk.
You've still got to put the polenta in.
Oh yeah, I see.
We call it polenta, but in America they call it cornmeal. Cornmeal?
Something like that.
Which is probably the main ingredient for this because it's corn dogs.
Probably meant to put the egg in too.
You got an egg?
It's in there.
We put an egg in there. I don't know if you saw it, but yeah.
And then a bit of honey.
The honey is because Ken Rollins said that his wife, I think, likes a little bit sweet. Or
Yeah, well, I don't like sweet. So.
our kids like it sweet, I suppose. So they'll like that part. And remember, Nathan, this is our first go at making corn dogs. Hey, Pete.
Yep.
We've heard so much about corn dogs from America in their fairs, state fairs and stuff.
Onion. Well, if that's meant
Bit
to
of onion.
I don't know if that's meant to go in now, but it's in.
Well, we put a bit of onion in. Again, Pete says she doesn't know if it's meant to go in, but it's in. I suppose it would be. Goes in your batter.
That's it. Turn it off now.
Well, Nathan, here's our go, and everybody else is going to watch this video.
Messy.
Here's our go at making corn dogs. Here's the frying on the camp cube again.
Bit fucking messy though.
Bit messy, but yeah. But this is our go at doing
I
it.
think we need to have deeper oil.
But we probably don't have enough oil in the pot. But as I said, it's on the campfire. But we seem to get it splitting. Nathan, if you can answer us, why is it splitting, or anybody can tell us why the batter is splitting.
Where's the tongs?
Cooking nice and the batter tastes nice, but why is it splitting? So please let us know in the comments, any Americans that know how to cook corn dogs, because we don't. But please let us know in the comments. And remember guys, like and subscribe. Thanks.